Silence Race. Once there lived a couple who liked mochi more than anything else. One night, they made a huge amount of mochi and ate a lot. At last, only a little was left. Tonight, let's see who can keep still the longest. The one who wins will have the remaining mochi, the wife said. They agreed. Unfortunately, a thief entered the house and went all around searching for things. Both the husband and the wife saw the thief but kept quiet. If they said anything, they would lose the mochi, so they kept a hold on themselves. The thief took advantage of the situation and started scattering things all over. Thereafter, he opened the cupboard and took out the mochi box. When the wife saw this, she could not stand it. At once she said, "Oh, that thief is carrying off the mochi." The husband, instead of looking at the thief, said, "That mochi is mine now." The Proud Samurai. Once upon a time, there was a proud samurai. One day it so happened that he had to spend the night at a farmhouse in the country. The farmer asked him to cover himself with the straw matting as it was too cold. "I have fought so many battles, and when I slept in the open in the battlefield, I never needed anything over me," boasted the samurai. And he lay down to sleep on the bare floor. At night, it became too cold and he felt uncomfortable. When he could no longer bear the cold floor, he woke the farmer up. The samurai asked him, "Farmer, do you make the rats in this house wash their feet?" "No, we don't do anything like that," replied the farmer. "Don't you? Then they will spoil my clothes when they run over them. Get me a straw mat and I will put my clothes on it to protect them." The samurai said. A leak in an old house. Once upon a time, there lived an old man and an old woman in a certain village of Japan. One night, it was raining heavily and they could not sleep. So they started talking. The old man said, "A leak in an old house is something to be afraid of, even more than a tiger wolf." By chance, a tiger wolf was standing outside the door and overheard this. He thought, "Oh, there is something called a leak which is more dangerous than I am. Now I will have to search for it." At that very moment, a thief was about to break into the house. Thinking that the tiger wolf was a horse, he climbed onto his back. "This is terrible. Now I am caught by the dangerous leak in an old house," thought the tiger wolf. Quick as lightning, he jumped up and ran away. The Monkey and the Thief. The tiger wolf shook off the thief, and the thief fell into a dry well by the side of the road. A monkey who was passing by came there and asked the tiger wolf, "What are you up to?" "There is a monster called a leak in an old house, hiding in this well," answered the tiger wolf. "Is there any such monster called a leak in an old house?" "If there is, I'll find it out for you," said the monkey. The monkey, who is anyway nosy, let his tail down into the dry well and felt around. The thief, who was hiding at the bottom of the dry well, grabbed the monkey's tail firmly. The monkey was startled. He tried to pull his tail up. He pulled it so hard that it snapped off at its base. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.